Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk and today I'm going to be talking about broken toe injury recovery. It's important that you know you may be entitled to free private medical treatment from a broken toe specialist local to your area. Also, if needed, you could receive guidance and advice from one of our panel of private specialists who might suggest you use a special boot or shoe in order to allow your injuries to heal quicker. Broken toe injuries may differ, as no two injuries are the same. Speaking to a private specialist without having to worry about any hefty medical fees could make all the difference in terms of your recovery. If you've had an accident that was not your fault, you could qualify for free broken toe treatment from a specialist in your local area. Contact us to find out if you're eligible for free private treatment from a broken toe specialist. That may also include physio treatment if needed by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. We're also going to be going over some of the steps that we recommend you take, as well as looking at information provided by the NHS in regards to dealing with an injury involving your broken toe. If you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you sustained a broken toe injury following an accident that wasn't your fault but was down to the negligence of others, you should bear in mind that you may be entitled to compensation. In order to bring a claim for compensation, we recommend that you speak to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with toe injury claims. You may qualify for free private treatment if the accident which resulted in your injury was down to the negligence of others by bringing a claim for compensation. You won't be expected to pay anything up front, and we'll ensure that all costs are covered if you decide to bring a claim with us. So call our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 in order to find out if you're eligible, or visit our around the clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like. Now, in terms of advice for recovery, the NHS recommends that your toe may be broken if it is red or bruised, painful and swollen, difficult to walk on. If you're unsure about whether or not your toe is broken, you shouldn't be overly concerned, as treatment for a broken toe or bruised toe is usually the same. According to nhs.uk, you should go to A&E if you think you've broken your big toe, your toe is pointing at an odd angle, the bone is sticking out of your toe, you have a bad cut or wound after injuring your toe, there was a snap, grinding or popping noise at the time of injury, you have severe pain, you have any tingling or loss of sensation in your toe or foot, it's your child that has hurt or broken their toe. You may need further treatment in hospital, such as a boot, cast or surgery. There are a number of circumstances in which a doctor will usually recommend that you attempt to treat a broken toe at home first. These include it not being your big toe, the bone isn't sticking out of your foot, your toe isn't pointing at an odd angle, there is no wound on your toe. Broken toes usually heal within 4 to 6 weeks, but it can sometimes take several months. NHS.uk recommends some of the following when recovering from a broken toe. Take ibuprofen and paracetamol for pain and swelling. Rest your foot and keep it raised. Hold an ice pack or a bag of frozen peas wrapped in a towel on your toe for up to 20 minutes every few hours. Wear wide, comfortable shoes with a low heel. Avoid walking around as much as possible. Strap up your broken toe. Put a small piece of cotton wool or gauze between your sore toe and the toe next to it. Then tape them together to support the sore toe. They also recommend that you do not strap up your toe if it's pointing at an odd angle, or if you've hurt your big toe, get medical advice. Do not put ice directly on your skin. Do not walk or stand for long periods. Do not wear tight, pointy shoes. Do not play any sports like football, rugby, hockey for 6 weeks or until the pain eases. Do not try and treat your child's toe. take them to an urgent treatment centre or A&E. You should also see a GP if the pain and swelling hasn't started to ease after 2 to 3 days, it still hurts to walk on after 6 weeks, you have diabetes, foot problems can be more serious if you have diabetes. In this scenario, your GP may send you for an X-ray to see if you need any further treatment. So if you've been involved in an accident which resulted in a toe injury and you believe that you're entitled to compensation, well, we'll be more than happy to hear from you. You should bear in mind that if you're successful in your claim for compensation, the cost of any private treatment should be covered, as well as any loss of income from time off work, which may be claimed back for when bringing a claim for compensation. And if we take your case on, we'll be more than happy to put you in touch with a medical specialist in order to further aid your recovery, and aim to find you one in your area so that you're not having to go out of your way should you require any further treatment in order to help your recovery. Now, they'll be able to advise you on broken big toe treatment and broken little toe treatment, go over how to tape a broken toe, and answer any questions from: can you move a broken toe? Should I go to hospital for a broken toe? And is my big toe broken? By looking at the differences between sprained big toe versus broken big toe. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same. And whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.